Hi, teachers. Welcome back to Easy Lesson Hub. Today, I'm going to show you how to play a high-energy game that combines movement, teamwork, and vocabulary practice. It's called Balloon Volleyball. Balloon Volleyball is a fun classroom game where students play a mini volleyball match while saying words from a specific vocabulary category. The goal? Keep the balloon in the air, say a correct word from the category, and score points for your team. Here's what you'll need to play. You will need a balloon, then a row of chairs or any divider to act as the volleyball net. A list of vocabulary categories you want to practice, such as animals, food, or action verbs. Here is how you set up the game. First, create a large space in your classroom by moving desks to the side. Divide the space into two halves using a row of chairs or a tape line as the net. Divide the class into 4 teams for a tournament. Here's how you play the game. 2 teams stand on either side of the net. The players spread out to ensure everyone has a chance to hit the balloon. Teacher hands the balloon to one student to serve. Next, call out a category. Before the game begins, announce a vocabulary category. For example, you might say, animals. Students must hit the balloon to another player or over the net to the opposing team. Remember, every time a student hits the balloon, they must say a word from the chosen category. For example, if the category is animals, students might say cat, dog, or tiger as they hit the balloon. If a student doesn't say a word, repeats a word, or the balloon touches the floor, the opposing team scores a point. Play for 5 minutes, changing the category after every point to keep things interesting. After 5 minutes, invite the next 2 teams to play. The 2 teams with the most points face off in a final round to decide the winner. Here are some tips to play this game. Prepare your categories. Have a variety of vocabulary categories ready to keep the game fresh and challenging. Encourage creativity. Let students come up with unique words, but remind them to stay within the category. Keep it safe. Make sure the play area is free of obstacles and encourage students to gently hit the balloon. And that's it, teachers. Balloon volleyball is a fantastic way to review vocabulary while keeping your students active and engaged. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun ESL activities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy teaching!